All right.
Sock 'em to me.
So question number one. A Fender guitar or bass is for the most part a very straightforward instrument to produce, and that simplicity is really part of the legend behind the Fender name. So what difference does a master builder make in an instrument like a Telecaster, which in some cases is an uncontoured body, a bolted on neck with a fairly simple set of electronics?
Well, yeah, pretty much the same thing.
Which actually leads us to question number two, and you answered some of that. What separates a master builder from another builder in the Fender custom shop, or even a builder that works on regular Fender guitars?
What separates each master builder from one another, I feel, is a lot of us are really good at certain aspects of it. Dale Wilson, for example, amazing at relicking. Me, not so good at relicking. So for the customer standpoint, if you want a relic guitar, go for somebody like Dale.
Mm-hmm.
John Cruz, Todd, the guys that are really good at that. Paul Waller's fretwork, phenomenal. Different than how I do it. His fretwork is great. So we all have little nuances that we do differently, and setups are a little different, and neck shapes, what we like. There's always a little personal influence in the mix, but I think it's just a case of...
How does that compare to the people that are putting together your production Fender line? I mean, they're doing setups and fretwork and electronics and wiring. And...
True, and a lot of them are really good at it because they do it all day long, for years. The fret dressing guys over there in the team built stuff, they're amazing, and almost the gen who shapes the back carves on the necks. He does it. He's so good and so quick at it. I'm learning from him. I watch him, and I can't do the belt sander trick like
guitars.
Well, yeah, pretty much the same thing. Some of us have apprentices. They'll help out with the wiring and certain other aspects of it. We don't do our paint. The master builders rarely pull the trigger on the paint guns.